You gonna say hi to the friends? No? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing a what's in my bag for my newest baby, kind of. So if you'd like to see what's in my bag and my first initial review of this bag, please keep watching. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe for more luxury, beauty, vlogs, lifestyle content, fragrance, anything like that. And also don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps to boost my channel to the outside world. So if you like this video, then you should give it a like. Okay, so if you saw the birthday anniversary luxury series, you would have seen that I recently acquired this Chanel Reissue 226. I will put the official name across the screen because this was a limited edition version from 2018 maybe? Not exactly sure, but this is my first reissue bag by Chanel, so I wanted to do a mini review and share what's in my bag because I know these videos aren't most popular on YouTube anymore, but like you guys know, I share what I love, and I love what's in my bag videos. This is the Chanel Reissue 226 size. This is pretty much equivalent to the Chanel medium large. It's a little smaller than the jumbo size. It has your Mona Lisa smile pocket on the back. It has your traditional classic flap closure. And the one thing I really love about it, the chains, darling. These chains are so soft and comfortable. I really like that they don't have any leather in them, so they're super, super like just fluid and yummy. They feel so nice. The bag sits really, really comfortably under your arm. Yeah, I've really been enjoying this bag. All of the things that people had to say negative about it per se, such as the fact that when you close it, you have to make sure, you know, it's not like an easy bag to close per se. I don't have any issues with that. I honestly have nothing negative to say about this bag so far. And I've been using it for a little under 2 months. The one thing that I really do love about it is the fact that it's so pliable. So the reissue bags tend to be a lot softer calfskin, so they're not rigid. And if you know anything about me, I love mini bags and I love like very pliable larger bags. So to me, this is a larger bag in comparison to the things that I've been carrying for the past years. So it fits really nicely under your arm and I don't feel like it's restrictive at all. So that's another reason why I went for the Chanel Reissue style. Also, I just wanted something different. So as you can see, this has a striping in the metallic calfskin leather. So if you look closely, it's not just a metallic bag, but it has some striping in it. And if you've caught up with any of my Chanel unboxings this year, you will know that I'm not too much into a classic Chanel bag. Now this is a classic style. It's a Reissue 226, but it has a modern twist on it. I previously had not owned any metallic bags. So, well, actually that's a lie. I do have a Louis Vuitton. Ooh, I'll insert a picture. I'm blocking on the name. But I do have another metallic bag, but it's small. So that's just a quick run through of my initial impression after using this bag for a little under 2 months. I have absolutely nothing to say negatively about it. It has been such a good everyday bag. I love that it's so simplistic. It doesn't have Chanel anywhere that's too large. Chanel is plated on this hardware in the front, but this is one of those bags where if you know, you know, and if you don't, that's okay. And the older I get and the more I get into my collection, I tend to like bags that are a bit understated. Now she is very bright. It's a metallic bag, so it's not too understated, but generally speaking, it's understated. So I want to share with you guys what I keep in my bag. Now she is heavy because she's full, and I also have sprained my wrist, so I'm going to be keeping her on my vanity, and I'm just going to pull everything out. Oh, let me show you what the interior looks like. So when you open it up, you have a pocket up here, and I don't keep anything in here. The pocket only goes up. I'm not sure what you would want to keep in there, but I don't keep anything in there. And then it has a flat pocket down here that goes all the way down to the base of the bag. Then you have your interior flap with Chanel stitched in the leather, shall I say. So in the large compartment, I'm just gonna pull straight out of here. The first thing I have is a phone charger. I use this in my car when someone's with me so that we can both charge our iPhones at the same time. The worst thing to happen is to be out of the house and your phone dies. So I like to keep an extra car charger. I don't know why she's so sleepy. Next, I have a purse hook, and I actually took this from the garden room in Atlanta. I will leave the garden room vlog down below. Horrible experience. I'm not sure if we were supposed to take these, but I figured this is the least they could do for our troubles. So this is just a purse hook that I can use to hang my purse off of something when I'm out and about. Really cute. Next, we have my cosmetics case for this bag. Like I said, this Reissue 226 is not too structured. So I knew I could fit pretty much any cosmetic case I would like, but I chose the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette because it is very thin. This is one of my staple items from Louis Vuitton. I think if you're a collector or if you're a makeup lover or if you love pouches and accessories, this is one that you need. I purchased this pre-loved because they're always sold out on the website, and it was definitely one of my favorite pieces. So like I said, I use this as a cosmetics case. So first I have my Pochette blotting sheets. You all know that I have really oily skin, so blotting sheets are essential for me. It's just a little case with a mirror and the blotting sheets. That always comes in handy, especially in the summertime. Next, I have a NARS blush because when I went out recently, I always find that I get oily and then I need to touch myself up. But then I lose pigmentation of my blush, so I carried this blush with me. This is NARS Gina. It's one of my favorite matte peach blushes. It's not what I have on today. Today I have on the Hermes blush in Rose Pommette. But this one is really nice, and NARS blushes are some of my absolute favorites. Next, I have my favorite lip balm. This is the Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm. This is the only lip balm I trust with my lips. I've been using this one for well over a decade. This is in the scent Natural Mint and Shea Butter. It also has SPF 25, which is so important. I love it. It is a men's skincare line, but anybody can use it. Next, I just have a little brush. This is a MAC 462 SES, not sure what that means. I used this to apply the blush onto my cheeks when I was out recently. Then I have a lip gloss. I have been loving this lip gloss so much. This is the ABH lip gloss in Kristen. It's like a really pretty pinky mauve shade. It looks so beautiful on your skin. I really like Anastasia Beverly Hills lip glosses because the pigmentation is there. And I'm not so much of a clear gloss gal. I love a little color, something that I can throw on effortlessly. So this is like the lip gloss that I would keep with me as a staple. Then I have a fragrance sample. This is Hermes Sur la Lagune. I'm not sure. It's an eau de toilette. Let's spray it today. I have nothing on. Oh, wow. I actually like this. This is a really fresh, citrusy, lemon zest, really nice, everyday scent. Oh, wait. Something on the dry down is smelling like old spit. I'm not sure what that note is. I'll have to wear this and see how I like it. But on initial spray, I like the way it smells. And then I just have like pieces of gum wrapper. So that's all I have in my Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette. This is one of the best SLGs that you can buy. I really like it because of the shape. It's like a cosmetics case, but it can fit in a lot of bags that don't have a lot of width. So for that reason, I really enjoy that. Okay, next in my big compartment, I have my Chanel card holder. This is the Chanel, I don't know the specific name. It's the pearlescent card holder from many years ago, and I just have my ID, some cash in the middle. That usually never happens. What is this? Is this a $5 bill? A 10. I'm rich. Y'all, I never keep cash with me. I'm surprised that I have $10, but that's amazing. I'll need it this weekend when I go out. And then I just have debit cards, things like that. But I really love a card holder. I have not carried a full-size wallet in many years because traditionally speaking, I've been carrying mini bags, and this is just so convenient. Also, when I'm just running errands around town, sometimes I'll just put this in my pocket. I really have enjoyed card cases. I do want to get back into a wallet, but with a bag like this, it would have to be a compact wallet, and then sometimes I probably want to switch it out. So card cases are my go-to, and this I've been using for probably a year. Okay, next I have my keys. This is the Louis Vuitton 4 key holder. I purchased this pre-owned a few years ago. I initially had one with the fuchsia button, but it scratches and then it peels and chips. Then you have to get it like repaired, and who wants to wait for an item like this? I use this every day I leave the house. So I love this 4 key holder, and this is something that is definitely an essential for any Louis Vuitton lover. Or if you just really like nice handbags and you want something to keep your keys in. Now my car key doesn't fit in here because it's too long, but if it did, it'd actually serve as its purpose and not scratch up my bag. Then I have this Chanel hand cream. Well, it's actually a body cream, excuse me. This is the Chanel 5 body lotion. This does not smell like number 5. This was from the Chanel Factory 5 collection. This smells like low. Yeah, it smells very powdery. Maybe this is Chanel number 5. I don't know. To me, this lotion smells better than the number 5, the original scent. But I do keep that with me just for a little hand cream. I mean, how can you exist in the Porsche Panamera without hand sanitizer? The Purell natural hand sanitizer is my favorite. I used to always stock up. I just like using natural products when I can, and I don't go anywhere without my hand sanitizer. I don't have my mask in here because I drive everywhere, so I keep my mask in my car. Next, this is what I should have put on. Next, I have my favorite fragrance of the moment. This is my favorite for just a very everyday, simple, beautiful, feminine fragrance. This is Parfums de Marly Meliora, and I will be purchasing this scent this week. Now, you guys are gonna see this video in maybe 2 or 3 weeks, but I need this scent. It just smells like plum, powder, white floral notes. It is beautiful. I always say that it reminds me of the Teen Spirit deodorant from way back in the day. Well, they actually might sell it. I don't use it, but I know that when I was a child, I always had a friend who used the Teen Spirit deodorant. That's kind of what it smells like. It's fresh. It's fruity without being childish. This is a wear everywhere signature scent worthy fragrance. I adore it. One of my subscribers actually sent this to me. Thank you so much. I have emailed you, by the way. You did not have to give to me with all the fragrance samples that you did, but I am so grateful because I found a new favorite. So once again, Parfums de Marly Meliora. Absolutely love. Okay, then I have my compact, and this is the Estee Lauder Double Matte Oil Control Pressed Powder in number 4 medium deep. So this is what I wear to blot my oils when I'm out and about. I do like using a blotting powder, but this has a little bit of tint to it, so I feel like it helps to add extra coverage. And like I said, once I blot away the oil, I like to add color and coverage just to make my face look more alive and like it did when I left the house. So this is currently my pressed powder. That's everything that's in the overall large compartment. And then in the back, I have 2 receipts. I have a receipt from the post office. I shipped something to South Carolina. I can throw that away. And then I have a receipt for Park Avenue Thrift, which is a thrift store. I went and spent $15 and I got 2 pieces of clothing. I love a good thrift store find, but now I can throw this away because I won't be returning any of those. I don't even know if you can return things to a thrift store. Probably not. I'm not sure. Okay, so that's all I have in the back pocket. And then I have my Chanel authenticity card. And then the last interior pocket is in the front. A gift card from one of my dear sweet friends. She sent me the sweetest little care package, and included is this gift card from Starbucks, and it says, "Yes, Queen, yes." I just thought that was too cute. It is officially pumpkin spice latte season, so I might go to Starbucks tomorrow. You all, first of all, I have to just say, you all are the sweetest. Like, I don't ever expect for you all to send me or give me anything because you watch my channel, you support what I'm doing, and that in itself is a gift. So whenever people just take time out of their busy schedule to show appreciation, leave a comment, and send an email, send a gift, I just truly appreciate it, because I know that you all don't have to do that. So thank you so much, friend. You know that I just love you to pieces. And the last thing I have in here is a card from Skin Store. So I work with Skin Store maybe every month to every other month, and they just included this note with a package that I received recently. So that was everything that I kept in my bag. Let me show you what it looks like when it's empty. So as you can see, it's very, very flat. I love that. I do not like Chanel traditional flat bags. I think they are too structured. They're kind of boring in my opinion, just my opinion. I do have a Chanel classic flap in red, but I don't wear it too much. I also like that this bag can be flattened and lay up against your body, and it comes to a point, so it's even more close to the body. I just really like that. And of course the chains. So yeah, I will link something similar to this on Fashionphile down below. I did purchase this from Fashionphile. Fashionphile is my #1 source for pre-owned luxury. I am really good at authenticating Louis Vuitton on my own, because I've been purchasing it for probably 2 decades, or at least receiving it. But Chanel is a brand that I'm just now getting into heavily, and I don't know enough about Chanel to be able to purchase from anywhere other than Fashionphile. So yeah, shout out to Fashionphile. This video is not sponsored, but we do accept all sponsorships and collaborations. Email is in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little what's in my bag and mini review. If you'd like to see a full review of this bag, definitely let me know down below. I enjoy doing what's in my bag videos. I know they're like OG videos on YouTube, but they are some of my favorites. So leave any comments or questions you all have for me down below. I love you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.